Okay, so what's up, guys? So all that I need to do in this video to show you something is that I'll just go through my Coinbase wallet and okay, click on the Coinbase wallet and wait for it. Let me just wait for the Coinbase wallet and show you something real quick. Okay, they said was don't risk your money. I should back up now. Okay, let me just forget the backup for now. I think let me just click on later. Oh, okay, so as you can see the amount of money that I have in what my Coinbase wallet. You can see the cryptocurrency, which is the USDT. You can see I have about what over 1,000 plus USDT in my wallet, as you can see on the screen there. And guys, you can see that I'm withdrawing this USDT. I'm withdrawing every minute or every second that I want to withdraw. I'm withdrawing it, and the more I'm withdrawing, the more is too hot adding to it. You can see what I need to do is click on the send button and enter the minimum amount of money I want to send to my any person at all. Then I'll just you want to click on the person's address, the recipient's address, enter the recipient's address that I want to send the money to, and guys, you are good to go. But I'm not here for that, so let me just go back real quickly. So that's what I'm going to show you, how you'll be able to get this kind of money in your trust wallet without doing any work. Guys, I mean it. When I say without doing anything, I mean it, without doing anything. So before I would like to do a short introduction. Okay guys, so what's up guys? It's your guy Shapira once again, and guys, I'm a content creator. I create content about how to make money online. As you can see on the screen, all my videos are about how to make money online. So if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Shapira Sid. I do video about how to make money online, and I do what is working for me. I went to do research about what is working in the market. When I found out something is very working, I come here and record a video about it, as you can see on my screen. So if you're someone up there, why not subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, where I share tips about how to make money online every day. I'm always available on Instagram. I share tips about how to make money online, and also any question that you have, any suggestion that you have, you can link me up on Instagram. And so there will be a link in the description box below that will lead you towards my Telegram group, where I drop tips about how to make money online. You can see this is my Telegram channel that I build myself, and I always answer questions. I always post tips, what is working for me, and all those things that you need to know about how to make money online. I always post it here on my Telegram channel. So click on that link below, and I think we are good to go. Okay, so let's get to the main reason why we are here. So when you are here, let's just start everything from fresh. Let's go and download the Coinbase wallet. Okay, so let me just go to my Play Store. Those who are using iPhone can go to Apple Store and go and download the Coinbase wallet. I'm starting everything from scratch. Okay, so here we are on my Play Store. All I need to do is click on the search button, and you're going to type in what we call Coinbase wallet. So those who are using the iPhone can also go to the Apple Store and type what you call Coinbase wallet. So let me just type in Coinbase wallet real quick. Okay, Coinbase wallet. Okay, so you click on search. When you click on the search, guys, make sure look at for the particular one I'm going to select. Okay, so you're going to select the first one. As you can see, you have the first one there, so click on the first one there. I have it installed already. Okay, as you can see, I have it installed already, so they are always asking me to open it. They are only asking me to open it. So all that I need to do is to open, but yours should not be like this. Yours will be like you should install it. So make sure that you install it. So after installing it, make sure that you click on open. Okay, so when you click on open, it will take you to another page, and make sure you read every review about it. You can go down, read whether it's good or it's not good by yourself. No much information about it. So guys, once again, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do a background research about all these things I'm showing here. Okay, so when you click on it, okay, might have taken me to my account direct, so I'm coming. Let me just log out real quick. After I click on open, it's logging me to my account direct because I have account with them already. But let me just log out quickly. Okay, I've logged out. So when you click on it, this is how yours supposed to be like. So you click on I already have an account. So make sure that you click on I already have an account. When you click on it, click on restore with puzzle. So make sure that you click on restore with puzzle. So when you click on restore with puzzle, there will be a page like this. That a page will come for it for you to paste a puzzle, but they're not allowing me to video it because they don't want me to share that particular page. So make sure that there will be a puzzle. I will leave it in the description box below, or I will leave it on my website. Okay, anywhere I will leave it, it will be communicated in the description box below. It will be the description box, or it will be even in my Telegram group. So make sure that you follow me up on my Telegram group, or you follow me up my Twitter or Instagram, because I'll be leaving it everywhere. Okay, so but mostly there will be a blog post under my there'll be a blog post under this video, this particular the description box below. Make sure that you click on it, that blog post, click on it, and it will be below on that blog post. Okay, they are not allowing me to show it, as you can see on the screen. So after you have pasted it, and boom, it will take you to a place that look like this, that your money will be generating for you. And guys, this money here, you can be able to send it to anybody. You'll be able to receive money from anybody. And guys, sometimes they will be asking you, before you can be able to send, you have to pay a few time payment before they will allow you. Guys, I don't encourage all of you to, I don't encourage anybody watching this video to pay that amount of money. Okay, you may lose your money in the process. You may, it's supposed, everything's supposed to be free, but in case you are asked to pay an amount of money before you be able to withdraw, I don't encourage all of you to do it. But in case you want to do it, you can even do a background research on yourself to know whether it's working well or it's not working well before you go ahead putting your money in it. And make sure that you don't put the money that you're not, you cannot afford to lose. Okay, the money that you can afford to, make sure that you don't deposit this amount of money. So as you can see, I don't want to make this video too long. That's all I have for you in this video, how you'll be able to generate free USDT into your Coinbase wallet, as you can see. So if you think that you have found value in this video, why not go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video, and also don't forget to share this video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. And I think that's all for this video that I have. If you have any comments, any suggestion, or you think that I've done something very bad, give me a dislike on this video and tell me in the description box below what I did very wrong, and I'll work on myself, or I'll improve myself, because I like working on myself. And I think that's all I have for you in this video. I see you in my next video.